here testing the new Parnelli Jones tire. It's a radial, 36 inches tall, 1450 wide. It's actually a pretty big tire. It comes pretty close to what the spec says. Our purpose here is to test these tires in a real-world environment. We have them mounted on an old flat fender Jeep, 5 on 5.5 Eaton wheels.
They're not really digging holes really fast, even when you're going really, really slow.
Sideways across.
Come right around, but it's not digging a hole when you do that.
Right, so you're not.
It's staying right on top. So I don't know if that's good because it's not getting traction, but it's it's staying on top.
Staying on top's important. Yeah. Basically, we're just crawling slowly over the rocks, seeing if we can rip the sidewalls, not on purpose, of course, and see how the traction characteristics of the tire are. The type of rocks we have here are a combination of good traction and slick rock. Not Moab type slick rock, but actual smooth rock.
But it's kind of a perfect, like, good bulge on a 10-inch wheel.
Okay. It looks like the sidewalls are kind of a soft rubber, real kind of turning into powder as it rubs on the rocks. I mean, this is just right up this trail, and they're already getting kind of worn. They're real wide, and they're a lot bigger than my other 36s. So it's a big tire.
It says it's a 1450, right?
It's closer to its true sidewall specs.
It's like closer to the...
Well, when you came over that other rock, it just conformed right around it really nice.
Yeah.
So far, the tire's doing very well. At the pressure we have, which is 4 pounds, it's enveloping the rocks and giving it incredible traction.